In this video, we're going to be talking about eco-friendly urbanization versus traditional urbanization. Let's get into it. Okay, urbanization. The way I see it, there are two sides to the spectrum. The right side, which is the way we are urbanizing now, and the left side, the way we should be urbanizing, the eco-friendly way, the less harmful way. Now, let's start by talking about the right side. Okay, deforestation. One of the major causes of urbanization, as you can see in the diagram, is stated right there. Urbanization causes deforestation, and one of the effects of deforestation is soil erosion and global warming. We need trees. I cannot emphasize this enough. We need trees. Trees are crucial to our survival. Forests are cleared to accommodate expanding urban areas on a daily basis. Trees are one of the most important aspects of the planet we live in. Trees are vitally important to the environment, animals, and of course, to us. They are important for the climate of the earth. As they filter our air, they give us oxygen, they take in carbon dioxide. They are crucial to our survival. Now, another negative effect of the way we are urbanizing now is industrial pollution, which comes from, as you can see in the image, factories, also could come from cars and several other places. We thought that factories are going to be this, well, they are this great breakthrough. However, the way I see it is also a double-edged sword because they have polluted the world a lot, also bringing us climate change. And that is very, very bad. Now, let's look at the left side of the spectrum, the eco-friendly way to urbanize. Scientists think global warming is increasing the likelihood of extreme weather events, including floods. But some cities are fighting back, using the power of nature to mitigate the risk. A lot of sponge cities are being created now, which are cities who are implementing more green areas to minimize the events of climate change and to minimize the negative impacts of urbanization. Now, this is Mills College in it's a graduate school of business. Now, this is home to the School of Business converses green space and optimizes sun exposure. Other features include rainwater harvesting and water treating and recycling. This is a perfect example of eco-friendly urbanization, creating buildings who harness the energy of the earth, the renewable resources we are provided, and don't contribute to the pollution that's already in place. It actually helps minimize it. Another example is this building at the University of Queensland, Global Change Institute. This building is designed to operate as a zero energy and carbon neutral space, incorporating its own solar energy source and natural ventilation. It also uses geopolymer concrete, which is produced with lower greenhouse gas emissions than conventional concrete. See, this is great examples. It uses better resources. Not only that, it looks good. It's an amazing looking building and it doesn't harm the environment, which is the best part. Now, another example is Rush University, Bioscience Research Collaborative. This health and medical research facility incorporates air quality monitoring and a vegetative green roof. 75% of construction waste was recycled. That is incredible. A lot of the resources that came out of this didn't go to waste. They were recycled, they were reused, which is big and crucial if we want to minimize our carbon footprint, if we want to minimize the negative impacts of urbanization. Groundwater from under the parking garage irrigates to a nearby baseball field. Not only is this building innovative, it's also contributing to another place. That's so cool. That's amazing. That's what we need to do. We need more buildings like this. We need to urbanize in a more eco-friendly way in order to minimize our carbon footprint, in order to live a better lifestyle, to minimize the negative impacts of urbanization. Because the negative impacts of urbanization not only does it affect those around us, it affects us. It affects everything we do. It affects our future generations. And we cannot burden them with that. We cannot continue to expect the future generation to come out with a solution to our problems. We need to do better now, find solutions now. That way they won't have to worry about it in the future. Now, this is a vertical forest. There are a lot of vertical forests being created around the world, which is amazing because we need more. And I thought this is amazing because it's a hotel. Therefore, it's public. You know, a lot of people have access to it. And this is the outside of the Oasia Downtown Hotel. It's another amazing example of an eco-friendly way to urbanize. And it's located in the heart of the city's business district. This building really does stand out. And yes, it does stand out because not only is it centered at the heart, as you can see, the two other buildings next to it are all modern and like dark and probably harmful to the environment. And then there's this building, which is helping fix things, helping minimize those negative impacts. That's it for this video.